Seven Ages of Man by William Shakespeare.
All the world a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exist and entrance, and one man in his time plays many parts, his act being seven ages. At first the infant, kneeling and poking in the nurse's arms. And then the winning schoolboy, with his shuttle and shining morning face, creeping like a snail, unwilling to school.
And the lover. And the lover.
Sing like furnace with a woof full blunt made to his mistress' eyebrow.
And the shoulder.
Full of strings out and burdened like the part. Jealous and honor, sudden and quick and cruel, seeking the bubble reputation. In fair round belly with good capon line, with eyes severe and bird of formal cut, full of ways, show and modern intense, and so he plays his part.
The 6
Ages
ages
into the land in slippered pantalon with pigtails on nose and pouch on side. His youthful horse will save a word too wide for his strong sang, and his big many boys turning again toward childish treble pipes in his sound like scene of all that end. This strange eventful history is second childishness and more oblivion. Shan tit, shan I, shan tet, shan I, shan taste, shan everything die.